Now that it's not raining, we can finally get this board cut down to size. Also, if you're wondering, I still don't have a workbench, which is why I used the bed of the truck. You can see some of the cutting I just did was to make a nice boundary along the backside to make it elevated off the table when we're playing, but also so I have a lip so I can hang it on a wall. Scoreboard at the top to keep track of how many points you make per turn. Scoreboard was an absolute pain in the butt because I made so many stinking mistakes while I was doing it. If I get it all painted today, this will be the last day I have to work on it, which would be absolutely awesome to get it done. That don't look too bad. Pretty happy with how that 2 turned out. Took me about a week, but it's finally done. Now it's time for the review. Come on. You didn't actually think I'd show you, did you? Part 4.